belts.
No, I don't want any belts.
But these are nice belts. They're good belts to protect you.
But Anvi, you know something, it was very good. I'm sure you'll love that.
Scared so much.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
But
I was also scared too before my first flight.
Hmm?
I think it's normal to be a little bit scared. To make this one a little bit shorter. And this one.
It is too tight.
That's okay, Puta. Once you
I know it's a little bit difficult to walk, but in the air you will be so comfy, I can promise you. Look, what a big girl. Let's control everything.
smile, smile, smile. One smile. You're gonna have fun, okay?
If there is anything in the flight, if you feel good or if you feel bad, you want something, you can tell me, okay?
Yeah. When I was feeling scared, I will go down. I'll
Right,
put my
you
bed.
You
tell-
can tell me.
Yeah, when
You
I'm
tell Mr.
scared.
Gabriel
First
that
of all,
you.
we get into the air and try to have a fun flight together, okay? Bam!
Bam!
We
Give me 5.
We see you at the car. At the car
Perfect.
park, okay? Let's get ready.
But I want to see it right now.
I'm gonna tell you what you can see, okay?
As sly
Ask
as a
them, Puta.
fox, as strong as an
Whoa.
ox, as fast
Bye,
as a
baby.
hare, as brave as a bear, as free as a bird, as neat as a word, as quiet as a mouse, as big as a house. All I wanna be. All I wanna be. Oh,
Who is here? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Are you afraid?
No.
Not so much. Very good. It was a very easy start with you. Is it comfy, your seat?
Yeah.
Very good.
Ooh. You want some that? Whenever to go, I'll take me back. When I was scared, actually I'm not. I'm just scared my goggles will hurt.
Is it not too cold?
Yeah, it's not cool. Yeah.
Can you try to do something for me? Try to let go with your hand and open up like you were a bird. Fly!
I'm done. Otherwise my hands will tear.
Go, yeah, we are going. If you look down, you can see that we are moving. Actually, we are moving pretty fast, but we are so high that everything seems so slow.
Yeah.
roller coaster.
No way!
No way.
Go dear, go dear. That's all. Yeah. Good. And go straight.
Straight.
Yep.
Understood, Captain.
Yeah. Ow. Don't keep the camera stick to my leg. It's too weird. It's too cold. That's too cold.
You are doing it for the first time. Me
Yeah.
too.
What?
No, no. That was a joke.
Yeah, I know it was good. Alright, my shoes are done. Are you going to the snow mountain right now? Whoa.
There? This way. There. Let's wave to her. Hello.
Yeah, it's good. She's on her line. Hi. Where are we going? What here? Where do you want now?